friends, it is your friend in flowers, Lisa, and y'all look how gorgeous is this view. Do you know what these are? These beauties are the rooster pepper. That is the pepper that is perfect as a cut flower. How gorgeous. I mean, y'all, I think this is more beautiful than flowers blooming. Look at that. Rooster peppers, my friends. And this is the one that we grow to use as a cut flower and that we use to make all those dried, beautiful, not dried, we make them fresh, wreaths that dry beautifully. They're red chili peppers. I gotta go put this down, y'all. Hang on. I don't want to drop it. So that was 240 small blockers, 3/4 inch blocks with the rooster peppers sprouting like crazy. We started them, today is Thursday. I have to look, y'all. Those were started April 16th. Today's what, the 23rd or something? So they're like 7 days old. How impressive is that? Absolutely gorgeous. And look at this. These are my tomato seedlings that are 9 days old. And tonight on the show, you know, I do a show at 8 o'clock on Wednesday evenings inside my phone app. Tonight, I'll be bumping these up to the 2-inch block, which, you know, I only do that for like a couple of things, tomatoes being one of them. So if you want to learn more about seed starting, soil blocking, and how to do all of that, join me tonight at 8 p.m. And if you don't have my phone app, you can comment app here and we'll DM you the link to get it. Or you can just go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, download. The app is free, y'all. And that's where my live gardening show happens on Wednesday nights at 8 p.m. and Fridays at 12 noon. And tonight, these little guys are going to be getting potted into their 2-inch blocks. And we'll talk about why I don't do that for the majority of, so y'all, the team is out in the field planting. Isn't that a beautiful sight? But I was going to turn you around. And so they're planting. I just replenished. I brought out a bunch of next stage seedlings here. So look at these look at these zinnias. How gorgeous are these? These will be planted, today's Thursday. These will be planted either Monday or Thursday next week. This is 100 of the small blocks. And when you time them right, y'all, you don't have to pot up most of this stuff, right? And they're super space savvy. And look how happy and healthy these transplants are. Y'all, I would love to be a transplant farmer, I think. I think that would be awesome. All right. So, if today is your first time joining us for Ask a Flower Farmer, this is where for about the next 30 minutes or so, sorry y'all, I'm adjusting we've been filming since 6:30 this morning, so my tripods are kind of, and now it's saying poor connection, so I'm going to move us